Welcome to 2UB40. This is gonna be a quick video because I'm just want to show you guys the inside of or the back of a 2008 Toyota Matrix. I'm gonna replace the rear shocks, the rear struts. I already took off most of the trims and panels, and unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to show you guys the process, but there's some videos that you can find on the internet, on YouTube, on how to replace the rear struts of a 2008 Toyota Matrix. So these are like 3 nuts that I have to remove. We're not supposed to be touching this one because it belongs to the main strut. These are the new ones. Check them out. I'm gonna replace the whole thing. Okay, those are the nuts. I need to go to the bottom of the car and remove a nut that holds this, or a bolt. There's the other one. Those are the pieces that I have taken out. Still need to remove the rear wheel so you can give me access to that bottom bolt. And as you guys notice, the car's already jacked up. My tools, gloves, okay, trim and panel remover tool, a ratchet. Ooh, what's down there? Can I zoom in? Nope. What's that? Okay, that better not be a Playboy magazine. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. So let me get to work, and make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share the video. Alright, kids, after a quick water break, I already removed the first rear strut. There it is, the complete assembly of it. We can compare it. Okay, they look about the same. They better be, because I don't have a warranty for this anymore. Things that I never had a chance to replace them. So there you go. Cool new shoes. Nah, kidding, they're old. Okay, so yeah, they look about the same size. Okay, same distance from those nut and studs. Okay, let me go ahead and install the first one. Okay, something that I noticed, that's why it's important to double, triple check everything that you're installing. So for example, the old strut says left side. You guys see the L? This one also says L, left side on the new one. And on this one, that says right side. So you gotta double check everything, guys. So make sure you pay attention to what you're doing. If you're gonna DIY, what's next? Do it yourself. DIY. I'm not used to using acronyms. All right, so LOL.